This is the story of life. You are born. You are placed on a boat, and you sail out in the middle of the vast and beautiful ocean. And then the boat sinks. Oh well. If you can accept this truth, if you can stay with it, you may soon realize that in this complete disaster, this charneled ground, this sinking ship, you are not alone. And if you don't believe me, well, you are not alone. If you're scared of what's to come, you are not alone. If you are hungry, you are not alone. Deeply hungry or just wanting a bag of peanuts. If you are full of regret or hope or desire, if you are homesick, if you miss your mother or father, if you're in pain in your hip or your back or your heart or your bones, you are not alone. And if, after all this, after accepting and sitting with this, you still feel alone, well, I'm sorry, but you are not alone.
Touch you like I mean it. Tell you all my secrets. I could take you dancing. I'm not the romantic type. What can I do? It's love and I got the proof. But baby, what's the use? 'Cause everybody wants you. Each day's the same. I call your name in the pouring rain. I wait outside, even if it takes all night. What can I do? It's love and I got the proof. But baby, what's the use? 'Cause everybody wants you.